Do you know there is a free tool that scores your resume in 60 seconds? Yes, and here's how. Most recruiters spend exactly 7 seconds reading your resume. 7 seconds to decide whether you are worth interviewing or whether your application goes in the bin. The problem is most people have no idea whether their resume passes that test. They spent hours writing it, they think it looks fine, and they keep getting no responses. Here is what to do. Go to CareerMapTools.com and use the free Resume Audit tool. Paste your resume text. No personal details, just your experience and skills. And it scores your resume against 30 professional criteria in under a minute. It checks whether you are using action verbs, whether your achievements are quantified, whether your formatting will survive an ATS scanner, and whether your structure matches what recruiters actually look for. You get a score out of 30, a color-coded rating, and a specific list of exactly what to fix. Free. No sign-up. Results in under 60 seconds. Link in bio. If this was useful, like this video and subscribe. We post AI tools and career tips every week.